What's going on, guys? David here with you, and welcome to the DC Appliance Repair YouTube channel. In this video, I will just be giving some tips and advice and what every technician should be doing when they work on a dryer. This is not a step-by-step. This is just showing a particular job that I've done and got some great tips in it. If this is your first time here, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post. This is David. I'll see you in the next clip. Let's go. What's up, guys? David here with you. So we're out here on a Kenmore Elite front loader dryer. Now the customer's complaint was that the dryer is not drying the clothes. So what I done was, first thing we did was we checked voltage at the box, make sure we had proper 220 voltage. The next thing we done was went to the terminal block, made sure that there was no issue with the terminal block. So we had proper voltage coming into there. So now we got the front of this dryer off. And stop. Little tip for the day. Before you move any kind of control board, any kind of harnesses, it always pays to take a picture. It will save you in the long run. Thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. We're about to pull off this front, what they call the front bearing here, and it's going to give us access to be able to check what's going on here with the heating element. In case if you're wondering, this is what the inside of the dryer looks like. Got your motor with the toggle switch. It appears that it's okay. We're not going to go to this just yet. What we're going to go to is these mammy jammies, thermostats. And I bet you it's that one right there. We already checked continuity on the heating element. It was fine. So let's go check continuity on this mammy jammy right here. Right, so meters on continuity. Dang it. Nothing. Gone. Yep. Even though this one's good, we're going to change it too. But I was checking continuity here. This is the one that's blown, this is the one that's bad. But it's protocol to change both of these. So that's what we're going to do. Get this mammy jammy rocking and rolling. Be on our way. I just mentioned that it's protocol to change the thermostat also when this high limit thermal fuse is blown. You also want to make sure that the dryer has the proper airflow coming through the ventilation that runs through their house. I know a lot of times they may be on the roof, but if you have a fuse like this that's constantly being blown, if you don't offer dryer vent exhaust cleaning, then I recommend the customer finding a local business that does this job. Alright guys, so yes, you do need a Shop-Vac on your vehicle for multiple reasons. Let's talk about it. Why it's important to have a Shop-Vac on your van as an appliance technician. And every time you go into a dryer, regardless if it's just replacing a thermal fuse or heating element, anything, regardless of how simple it is. You know, even when I put timers on dryers, I like to break that dryer down and vacuum that joker out. Because anytime that you're on a job and you didn't vacuum out that dryer, but yet you worked on that dryer, you know, and if that dryer was to catch fire, you could be responsible. So for me, I like to sleep better at night knowing that I have a dryer. Just let me show you why. There you go. This one's not too bad, but you can see. So I got no handy dandy Shop-Vac here. Not it's only important to have a Shop-Vac, but number two, you're gonna run into dishwashers, you're gonna run into wash machines that may have clogged up pump, clogged up drain, pump went bad, drain went bad, whatever. And that Shop-Vac, you suck that water right out of there and be able to work on it. Now, there are clamps that you can buy to clamp off the hoses in order to stop the water from leaking out. But it's best to have a Shop-Vac, suck it out, be done with it. This is David DC Appliance Repair. Just want to throw this little tip in there for today. Make sure you guys vacuum out them dryers. See you in the next video. Hey, I'd like to say I appreciate you taking the time for watching my video today. And as you can see up above, I have a few custom playlists that you can check out. As you can see here to your right, you can subscribe and become a part of my channel. And if you do so, be sure to hit the bell so that you can see the latest and the greatest content. This is David with DC Appliance Repair. Again, I thank you. Have a great, wonderful day. Be sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.